Hi guys, it's Caitlin here with Little Women Creations. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a weekend vlog with you guys. We're going to be going up north, so just going to be some B-roll. We have the puppies with us, as you can see. But yeah, definitely make sure to grab a project, grab yourself something to drink, and just come hang out. I also just realized that I used the term up north, and a lot of you who aren't from the Midwest and or the United States don't know what that means. So in Wisconsin, it's the best way to look at it as a hand. In the state of Wisconsin, a lot of the northern border with the upper peninsula of Michigan is a lot of woods and camping, and so there are many people in the Midwest that have cottages or cabins up there, and it's all these very tiny little towns, like less than a couple thousand people at most. A lot of them are unincorporated towns or just a group of people, honestly. So we're going to the town, it's called Townsend. And yeah, that's where my partner's family has their little cabin cottage. There'll be lots of it in this video though, so just so you know what up north means. Cool. Catch you guys soon. Morning guys. So we made it here last night at like 7 o'clock Central. It was starting to get dark out. We had to figure out how to get into the shed back there so we could plug in the car. We had to figure out how to just set everything up when we got here, so I didn't really do much filming, but I'll do a little tour of everything for you guys this morning. So as you can see, our car is parked back there. It is an electric vehicle. It's a Volkswagen ID4 if any of you care about that. So he's all plugged in and charging while we're here. This is the actual cabin. I'll do a little MTV crib update on it, but my partner's still sleeping, so I will walk through there at another time. But yeah, so there's a really nice fence that we were able to put up last night. That way the dogs can just stay roaming around. So we have Riley. Yeah, hi baby girl. Oh, thank you for giving the camera a lick. And then we have Teddy. They've been doing really good so far. It's about 10 o'clock a.m., so definitely slept in a little bit, but that's okay. This is the nice little gathering area. This is a really cute picnic bench. And then the fire pit. We did start a little bit of a fire with what was in here last night, just as we were sitting and hanging out for a bit, but we'll probably do a little larger one today. I didn't realize they had this up here last night, and we brought a flatbread to make, so I could probably lower that down. There's also another chair. There's cushions inside. Again, we just didn't grab them last night. And we're right on the flowage, which is really cool. This is the Townsend flowage. It's pretty busy most of the time. I've never been up here except for 4th of July, which is like the big Independence Day in the United States. So yeah, this is their first dock. And actually last night, we were talking with my partner's mom and his sister, because his sister just moved back to school, and we saw the northern lights over this tree line. So that was really, really cool. Neither of us have seen them before. We actually then looked it up and saw that this weekend is a really good weekend to see them. So we're going to come out here again tonight. We joked that we were going to stay in the pier all night to watch it. But this is the first pier. As you can see, this stump has become a known fishing place in the Townsend flowage. So there have been some people, like when we showed up yesterday, there was someone here fishing, which is fine, we don't care. We brought a pole, but I don't think we're gonna fish that much. That's the second pier, and then that is their boat as well. And you can see they have a couple of boats. The covered boat over there is not ours, it's a neighbor's. Yeah, we might dip in the water later. It is currently 57 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's pretty chilly, especially because it's been 20 to 30 degrees warmer, again in Fahrenheit, in Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Nice little path here. And our guy's aunt has some really gorgeous wildflowers. Like, look at these. And the pinks in them are so pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh. Look at this flower. And two flowers. Hopefully they don't jump in while I'm over here. I don't know. We know Teddy can swim. We don't know about Riley. Which is fine. But yeah. Anyway. I've gotten a ton of crocheting done so far. I'm partial way through a bucket hat. I almost finished a bandana. So it's been good so far for that. I'm gonna set you guys up and just get some crocheting done this morning while Arai's still sleeping. And yeah. It's our little home for the next day and a half. Good morning. It's Monday morning now, September 5th, I believe. Um, we're gonna be heading out today, probably around 11 a.m., noon o'clock-ish. Riley's coming to say hi. This morning I'm working on some ghosts, so I'll show you. This is my finished one. It's really cute. Oh, the sun. There we go. He sits really nice on the table, which is so sweet. But he's stuffed with plastic bags, which I think is awesome. So we went to the grocery store yesterday just to get a couple of things for dinner, and they gave us grocery plastic bags, which is fine. But I was like, hey, I can use them to stuff my ghosts, because that's what I've been stuffing some of my other like small little animals with. So yeah, I'm really excited. But last night was fun again. We made dinner, which I'm sure you saw those pictures and stuff already. And then we also saw more northern lights, so it was really fun. We saw them over the horizon again, and then we did see them up like in the sky. So yeah, it was really great. I would say it's magical because I've never seen them before, and it's just absolutely stunning. So, but yeah, so we're gonna head home today, and I'll make sure to put in some clips of crochet while driving because I love riding in the car and crocheting. It's one of my favorite things to do. But yeah, thanks so much guys for joining me on this little weekend away. Give you guys a brief tour in here. So this is the kitchen. Just doing some dishes right now. The bathroom is behind the door. There's a shower, toilet. Usually when we come up here we don't shower, just because there's usually a big group of us, so. In here. This is one bedroom. That's usually where Grandma and Grandpa sleep. The big table. We usually will play games and stuff there. It's the main living area. So that's the dog's kennel, so that has to go in the car yet. But they have a nice TV up here. And they do have an air conditioner, but usually we don't have to use it. Nice, thankfully. Here's another bedroom. This one is all bunk beds. And then a third bedroom in here. I believe there's 2 beds. Yeah, there's 2 and then an extra mattress, I think. I believe they just got a new one. This is all the outside things. And then there's 2 couches and 3 more beds over here. So they really know how to pack people in. Here's the view from the front. I see one puppy. Where's the second puppy? Oh, she might be. There she is. So yeah, it was a really fun weekend. Do a brief overview again. Yeah, Ari's just getting a couple more casts in before we leave. Finishing up dishes. But this cabin was built by Ari's grandpa when he was very young. He purchased this land and then the land next door, and they split it. So that's one of his very old friends. And so now it's their children that own both of them and upkeep them and all that fun jazz. But it's a really great place just to meet. It's kind of out of the way for one of the families. That's no big deal though. It's still fun to come congregate up here. It's been a couple days since we've gotten back, and for my outro I wanted to show you guys everything that I did make. So first off, we got some ghosts. I have 3 large ghosts. I don't have any polyfill. Well, I didn't have any with me. I have some at home. So it's just like the bodies of them. I made these little guys, which I showed you guys. This is the only finished one I have because I had enough plastic bag stuffing for him. So there's 2 of them that are partially stuffed, and then 3 little ones. I have part of a cozy. This is the first time doing this, so I wanted to try it first. We'll see. I haven't tested it on any of like my mugs and stuff I have, so I don't know if it'll work. But one pumpkin cozy. Oh, this is the bandana I showed you guys. It's just a granny stitch. I did run out of this white yarn. I have some at home, so I just have to finish that up. And lastly, the bucket hat. It's very ironic because the girl that bought this wanted it in like the burnt orange color, not with the intent to make it look like a pumpkin or anything. I just have to finish weaving the ends in. I wanted to make sure that she likes this style because it's a little different than the one she sent me pictures of. That's why I haven't finished it. Thank you guys so much for watching along on this little weekend diaries. I hope you had a fun time coming and hanging with me. Appreciate you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.